CIFS, or Common Internet File System, is the default network file and folder sharing protocol used and developed by Microsoft. On Linux systems, we have the Samba software suite that allows a Linux system to share files, folders, and printers with Microsoft Windows systems. There are a lot of things you can do with a Samba install on a Linux system to make it integrate more easily into Microsoft Windows environment, but the RHCSA exam only expects the candidate to be able to mount and unmount CIFS shares. We will be working with the SMB client utility. SMB client is a program that we use to access CIFS shares on remote systems. To see what shares are available on a specific server, run the SMB client command with the -L option. The -U option specifies the username that has rights to the CIFS share. The -L option lists the available shares at the server specified either by IP or hostname. Then we enter in the user's password, and we have now listed our Samba shares. Let's work with the share named Samba. To log into the remote CIFS share, run the following. When accessing a remote Samba share, use 2 // followed by the IP or the hostname of the server that hosts the share, then a single / followed by the shared name. This is known as a UNC, or Universal Naming Convention path that Windows systems use for accessing CIFS shares. Again, enter in your password, and you are now logged into the share. Once you do get logged into the share, you can run normal directory commands to see what is available. You can also even run the equivalent Windows commands. We can use standard FTP commands to download and upload files. First, let's run the LCD command to change to our local home directory on our client system. Now, let's use the get command to retrieve the readthis.txt file. And now we have a copy of the readthis file in our local home directory. We will upload a file to the Samba share with the put command. And we can verify that we uploaded the file. To log out of the share, run the quit command. We can mount a CIFS share with the mount command. Here is the syntax for this. First, we will need to switch to root. We are specifying CIFS for the file system type, and we are using a mount option for the username. Take a look at the man page for mount.cifs to see the different types of options you can use. We are mounting the share to our /mount/samba directory that we had already created earlier. And now we should be able to access our Samba share as if it were a local directory. I want to quickly show you that you can also access a Samba share from the desktop. Go up to Places, and then connect to Server. We can change the service type to Windows Share, and enter in our information. And then click the Connect button. enter in the password, then click Connect. And here we can see we now have access to our remote Samba share. We can transfer files back and forth just by dragging and dropping them into this window. And that is how you access a Samba share.